Welcome. This is the DFPlayer Timer Reminder Device by Anagha Automation, a smart and simple solution for automatic audio announcements. To set up, first switch on the device, then turn off mobile data or internet on your phone. Open your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Wi-Fi name, DFPlayer_timer. Once connected, open any browser and type http:/192.168.4.1 on the web page. Set your desired time interval in minutes. Do not modify the audio output setting, as the volume can be adjusted manually using the hardware rotary knob. Here, click Save, then restart the device. Your timer is now ready. Every time the device is switched on, it will play audio automatically at the set intervals, like this.
And hygiene reminder. Please pause all non-critical tasks and proceed to wash your hands.
In case you want to replace the audio, simply press once on the SD card, and it will partially eject for easy removal. That's it, your reminder system is now active, with easy mobile setup and no app needed. This device is ideal for public safety announcements, clinic hygiene reminders, factory break time alerts, office productivity alerts, school or tuition bell systems, and promotional or advertising messages in shops. Thank you for watching. Your support motivates us to innovate more. So support us by subscribe to our channel.